Welcome to our video on the 8 orange foods for arthritis relief. Arthritis can make daily tasks hard. Pain, swelling, and stiffness affect the joints. While there's no magic cure for arthritis, the right foods can play a big role in managing symptoms and improving joint health. In this video, we'll uncover 8 orange foods that can ease arthritis symptoms and promote better joint health. We'll explain how these foods work, highlight their key nutrients, and share simple tips to include them in your daily meals. Let's jump right in. Starting at number 8 are sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes contain a substance called beta-carotene. Our bodies convert this effective antioxidant into vitamin A. It reduces inflammation, boosts immunity, and keeps skin and vision healthy. A study published in the journal Molecules found that diets rich in beta-carotene are associated with a lower risk of inflammatory conditions, such as rheumatoid arthritis. Beta-carotene also helps neutralize free radicals. They are harmful particles that cause damage to your cells and trigger inflammation. In addition to beta-carotene, sweet potatoes are high in dietary fiber, which is essential for gut health. Fiber helps your gut by feeding good gut bacteria. This improves your digestion and provides a healthy gut environment. Also, sweet potatoes contain potassium. It helps balance fluids, support nerves, and reduce swelling. But how does it work? Too much sodium in our bodies can lead to inflammation. This is where potassium can be helpful. Potassium can counteract the effects of sodium in our bodies. Studies show that higher potassium intake is associated with lower markers of inflammation and improved cardiovascular health. There are many delicious ways to add sweet potatoes to your diet. For a simple side dish, roast sweet potato slices with olive oil and sprinkle them with cinnamon and paprika. Alternatively, mash them with garlic and fresh herbs. It's a tasty, healthy swap for regular mashed potatoes. You can also try adding diced sweet potatoes to soups and stews to boost nutrition. For a twist, blend roasted sweet potatoes with vegetable broth, turmeric, ginger, and coconut milk. Pairing sweet potatoes with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil boosts the absorption of beta-carotene. Coming in at number 7 is carrots. Carrots are another excellent source of beta-carotene. This nutrient, along with vitamins K and C in carrots, is vital. It reduces inflammation, protects joints, and helps the immune system. Additionally, carrots are hydrating and are low in calories. This makes them an ideal choice for weight management. Weight management reduces pressure on joints, like the knees and hips. Their high water and fiber content also promotes satiety, which can help prevent overeating. Plus, maintaining a healthy weight also decreases the risk of inflammation. Carrots are also rich in vitamin C, which helps produce collagen. It is vital for keeping cartilage and repairing joints. It also has vitamin K. It helps bones by aiding calcium absorption and reducing bone turnover. Incorporating carrots into your diet is simple and versatile. Enjoy them raw with a dip like hummus for a quick and nutritious snack. Grated carrots add a burst of flavor and crunch to salads, wraps, or sandwiches. Here's a tip. Lightly steaming carrots can enhance their natural sweetness. It can also improve how well the body absorbs beta-carotene. This makes it easier for your body to utilize this vital nutrient. At number 6 are oranges. Oranges are well known for their vitamin C content. Just like carrots, oranges also plays a crucial role in collagen production. But why is collagen important? Collagen is involved in maintaining the structure of your cartilage. These are the tissues that act as cushions for your joints. With the help of collagen, the risk of joint damage is decreased. Studies found that individuals with higher dietary vitamin C intake had a lower risk of developing osteoarthritis, thanks to its role in supporting cartilage integrity. Oranges are also rich in antioxidants, like hesperidin and naringenin. These fight off the free radicals that cause inflammation and joint pain. They also aid digestion and regulate blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar can reduce systemic inflammation. Incorporating oranges into your diet is easy. Start your day with a glass of fresh squeezed orange juice. It will boost your vitamin C and kickstart your metabolism. Add orange segments to a spinach and walnut salad for a refreshing, nutrient-packed meal. Vitamin C and healthy fats from walnuts can boost your antioxidant absorption. Don't let the peels go to waste. Orange peels are rich in essential oils and flavonoids. Make a soothing tea by steeping dried orange peels in hot water. Or zest the peels into marinades, baked goods, or yogurt for extra flavor and nutrients. These peels also have anti-inflammatory compounds that can help you with your arthritis. Number 5 on our list are pumpkins. Pumpkins are rich in beta-carotene and vitamin C. This makes them a double threat to inflammation. Pumpkin seeds are another hidden gem in the pumpkin family. They are high in omega-3 fatty acids. It means they have strong anti-inflammatory effects too. Omega-3s help reduce joint pain and stiffness. They do this by blocking pro-inflammatory compounds. When these compounds are blocked, inflammation can be prevented. This means you can use your joints freely without pain. A study in the journal Lipids in Health and Disease found that eating omega-3 rich foods, like pumpkin seeds, can improve symptoms in people with rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. Also, pumpkin seeds are high in magnesium. It helps maintain bone density and supports muscles and joints. Incorporating pumpkin into your diet is easy. You can make a creamy pumpkin soup, blending roasted pumpkin with turmeric and ginger. These spices contain curcumin and gingerol. They enhance the soup's ability to reduce inflammation and improve joint movement. Try blending it with almond milk, banana, and a touch of nutmeg for a creamy, autumn-inspired smoothie. You can also use pumpkin seeds. Toast them with a dash of paprika or garlic powder. You'll get a crunchy, nutrient-packed snack that supports joint health. Next on our list at number 4 are apricots. Apricots are essential for your arthritis because of their potassium content. Remember, potassium is key for your electrolyte balance. It regulates your fluid levels and reduces swelling in your joints. They also contain vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant. This vitamin protects your cells from damage and promotes cartilage health. Studies found that vitamin E helped arthritis patients. It helped with their inflammation and joint pain. Dried apricots are a convenient choice to get your dose of vitamin E. They provide a quick energy boost and a low-sugar snack. You can add chopped dried apricots to trail mix with nuts and seeds for a nutrient-dense, portable snack. On the other hand, fresh apricots pair wonderfully with yogurt or cottage cheese. This creates a creamy and flavorful breakfast or snack. When you opt for dried apricots, choose the unsulfured varieties. This way you can avoid added chemicals and preservatives. They can cause a hypersensitivity reaction in some individuals. At number 3, we have orange bell peppers. Like other orange foods, orange bell peppers have vitamin C and beta-carotene. Studies found that individuals with higher vitamin C intake experienced lower levels of inflammatory markers and improved joint function. Additionally, bell peppers have high water content. If you are properly hydrated, your joints are lubricated and are less stiff. Hydration also helps make synovial fluid. This cushions joints and aids movement. Experts also suggest that eating colorful vegetables, like bell peppers, may lower the risk of chronic inflammatory conditions thanks to their rich phytonutrients, including carotenoids and flavonoids. To include orange bell peppers in your diet, slice them raw and pair them with a healthy dip like guacamole. Their crunch and sweetness also make them great in stir-fries, fajitas, or salads. Roasting orange bell peppers brings out their sugars. So use roasted ones as a tasty base for sauces or spreads. Next up at number 2 are persimmons. Persimmons are a sweet and flavorful fruit brimming with nutrients. They have vitamin C, beta-carotene, and powerful antioxidants. These compounds help with arthritis symptoms. Vitamin C is vital for collagen synthesis. It helps maintain cartilage and repair damaged joints. Also, persimmons are high in fiber. It feeds good gut bacteria and supports gut health. A healthy gut microbiome is linked to lower systemic inflammation. Slice fresh persimmons and add them to salads for a burst of sweetness and a dose of antioxidants. Their natural sweetness also makes them a satisfying snack on their own. If you are in a hurry, you can also blend persimmons into smoothies for a creamy, healthy treat. Or try pairing them with yogurt, banana, and a touch of cinnamon for added flavor. At the top of the list is turmeric. While turmeric is not technically a food, its bright orange color and strong anti-inflammatory properties make it a top ingredient for a joint-friendly diet. Curcumin, the main compound in turmeric, can reduce arthritis pain and swelling. A 2016 meta-analysis published in the Journal of Medicinal Food revealed that curcumin supplementation significantly reduced joint pain and stiffness in people with osteoarthritis. The study showed that the results are similar to those of over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications. Curcumin that comes from turmeric prevents your cells from being damaged. It also signals cytokines, which cause inflammation, to reduce it. Studies have shown that curcumin can block enzymes like cyclooxygenase 2, COX2, which play a key role in inflammation, making it a powerful natural remedy for reducing inflammation. However, curcumin's bioavailability, or how well your body uses it, can be low. Black pepper boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. This is due to piperine, a compound in black pepper. Combining turmeric with black pepper enhances curcumin absorption. A popular and comforting way to add turmeric to your diet is by making golden milk. Simply mix turmeric with warm milk, honey, and a pinch of black pepper for enhanced absorption. This comforting drink is not only anti-inflammatory, but also supports relaxation and sleep. Turmeric also works wonderfully in savory dishes. Add it to soups, stews, or rice dishes for a rich color and subtle earthy flavor. To enjoy a warming drink, make an anti-inflammatory tea by blending turmeric with fresh ginger, lemon juice, and a touch of honey. If you have access to fresh turmeric root, use it for maximum potency and flavor. And there you have it, the 8 orange foods for arthritis relief. Sweet potatoes, carrots, oranges, pumpkin, apricots, orange bell peppers, persimmons, and turmeric. Adding orange foods to your diet is a simple and delicious way to support joint health and manage arthritis symptoms. For those with specific dietary needs or severe arthritis, consulting with a healthcare provider or nutritionist can help create a personalized plan. Combining orange foods with regular exercise, proper hydration, and effective stress management can enhance their benefits, supporting long-term joint health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest health tips and information. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you noticed any positive effects from including orange foods in your meals? Or are you planning to try one of these arthritis-relieving options? Share your thoughts, and let's continue the conversation in the comments below. And if you found value in this video, please consider sending us a super thanks. Your support helps us continue creating valuable health content. Don't forget to check out our merchandise for some great finds too. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.